Then, how about a detailed scientific explanation of this tool, Anna?
Recently, there has been a growing interest in developing smartphone-based technologies for bacterial detections in food. One of the proposed methods is through the use of the near-infrared or NIR feature on the phone socket. The NIR spectrum lies between the visible and mid-infrared spectrum and can penetrate through food, allowing for detections of bacteria within it. It is important to note that the angle formed between the incoming NIR wave and the phone camera affects the threshold of the mist scattering receiver. Therefore, a ruler is needed to facilitate precise measurement. By measuring the angle and the amount of mist scattering received, the algorithm can calculate the number of bacteria present in the food sample with high accuracy. The concept involves shooting an NIR wave with energy strength ranging from 5 mW to a maximum of 10 mW onto food that contains bacteria. When this NIR wave interacts with the bacteria, mist scattering occurs. Mist scattering is the scattering of light by particles whose size is comparable to the wavelength of the light. The mist scattering products will then be captured by the smartphone camera. The smartphone camera captures the image of the food sample illuminated by the NIR wave. Then, the image processing algorithm analyzes the image, detects the presence of the mist scattering, and calculates the number of bacteria present in the food sample based on the amount of mist scattering received. One of the advantages of this method is its sensitivity to bacteria that cause direct infection. Although the detection limit of mist scattering depends on the angle and the amount of NIR wave applied, it has been demonstrated that this method can detect bacterial concentrations that are much lower than the threshold for causing direct infection. In conclusion, the smartphone-based NIR imaging method provides a simple, cost-effective, and sensitive approach to detecting bacterial contaminations in food. With further development and optimizations, this technology has the potential to become a valuable tool in food safety monitoring and control.